folks, Aaron from Beansprout here. I have a 5-string banjo to show you. I'm really pleased with it. I haven't done a big banjo in a few months, so it was good to kind of get back on this. The main wood is some curly walnut, and that's from a tree that was from here in the Hood River Valley. And it's got some nice little curl to it, especially in the rim. The secondary wood is all pistachio. That's from California orchards. I include some nice sapwood there. And I love that little bit that shows up there from the graft. And a little moon headstock inlay. This one's got a K&K pickup, and it's got an extra armrest on here. And then it's the walnut rim with a brass tone ring. So it's like, you know, if I was going to make another banjo for myself, this is one I'd probably consider. It feels really nice. It's plenty loud, but it's like rich and warm, long sustained. And I'm really pleased with how the neck turned out. So this is number 997. Cheers.